Hey Taola, this video is brought to you by EASYBET. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to get a 50 Rand sign up bonus. Danko.
Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It is the Betway Premiership League. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, AmaZulu 0. Kenale boy or ke boy?
Good boy.
Oh, kenale boy. Ntana urwira lang dintshang o bone eng wena?
I'm very happy ka Sundowns, so it's my sister. And then congratulations to Peter Shalulier for scoring 100 goals in these colors. And then ona le ntho ngwe ke rato ya dressa my sister. South Africa is not a very patient nation. Regarding sales or sales or remember this one thing it's in we understand. Negerato mu compare le a bamboo tree. I get to realize bamboo tree, but you'll research. Yeah, bamboo tree why planta underneath in 5 years is a trial. Mar ha to trial, ha to hula 80 meters tall within 8 months. So it's what this guy is doing. We underestimated the management of Mamelodi Sundowns, both flaming back, but we should give credit to them. Unfortunately, the supporters of Mamelodi Sundowns were not patient enough. But now they're seeing the results. Remember, he was planted, now he's booming and he's going tall. So we must give credit to them and then we must congratulate the players. Not only the management or the board of directors, the PSL, they are Sundowns. You know why? We wanted to compete and then we believed in ourselves for a competitor. So we have to do everything that is best. We're gonna play. Should we play 2 games every week or whatever? And we have the squad depth
to do so.
Yeah, Pirates. I'm disappointed in Pirates, but I can't say I'm disappointed because I knew they can't match this. No, about experience. About experience. Lipito nabolela we are Mamelodi Sundowns. At the end of the day, we have the experience. We can handle the pressure, and then it shows. Unfortunately, Pirates can't do that. Every team, you got Mamelodi Sundowns, but you can see defending 90 minutes. You can't do that.
So when you compare race
yeah, it's over and then into some win Pirates Sunday. They will still have faith, but they will go to
no,
ufangwana stock sweet amuna hawan was nyaka wabo ba habaka winner ke ntho eksanya ke no ba no rabatsela ke re ke tshwara ka ofora so yeah wa bona ba di PhD ba calculate mar dala PhD mar dala PhD dala ka maoto yeah
and amount ana PhD
intelligence ya football players akere ba banyatsa ba re abatla eskolong abaireng but football players are so important. The bantabu bu intelligent babona ka maoto. Wa bona re ka mo ba ira. Wa bona re tlor kopo ira. They can say tlor kopo senya or Mamelodi Sundowns senya di player destroying, but no aba ire biao. At the end of the day, ke business. You understand, and then loena o una something o ga senya go lose. Agere ba bang ka mkhoko botsa gore ke business. Ba bang ba try o re suppress. Ba terrorisa press or ba ise angasibulele batho ga mabitso no a ke ba bolele o itse ba ba iramba ba tlonya go re senya nna o ska lebala Sundowns wa re a re senye mabitso a batho ya so re tla rena re ipethela batho re tla sonta
mara na onyo go roba bitsa ka mabitso nyana re ba itse
you know something. You know, I wanted to go to Orlando on Sunday or Saturday by move a venue. But I understand, maybe for security reasons, I understand. Mara, ke tla ba krea ko gae ko bo brua bone go Chiefs.
Already.
Ke ba beta hore ba ko brua bone re go manga ke tsabe ba mvotela ke ba beta ntse ba le beao. So Sunday, I'm ready for Pirates.
So man of the match, how got you gonile man?
Yeah, Mara, to be honest, I'm a Mamelodi Sundowns fan and I hate to say this, but football intelligence has to go to Abubakar Mubara. Number 2, wa AmaZulu. Yeah, no.
Mara, besides being a Mamelodi Sundowns fan, you're a football fan, so
I'm not a football fan.
Oh,
I'm a
Mamelodi Sundowns fan.
And then I give favorite team nngwe ya go ntle le gore ko overseas I give favor. A ona team e ke tlo e favor. A ona team e ke tlo e favor nge le gore ke palla go lebella e gym a bana train. Ke favor Sundowns ka ne la ba gym go tlo re I can have that opportunity to ke ba lebelle ba gym so I'm not a football fan. I'm a Mamelodi Sundowns fan. Yeah, goes to Chlorokop.
Thank you, boy.
I na stress.
Sharp.
Yeah, sharp.